All right, in this episode, we're going to talk about the brand new Gaggenau Expressive Series. Now, Gaggenau is certainly a brand that we've carried for a long time. Recently came out with their new Expressive Series. Give me your thoughts on Gaggenau.
We're talking offline for a minute, and Fran asked me what I thought about it, and I said, man, we were this close to saying, hold the displays out. You know, not that it's not a brand that's important to us, it's just, it felt like kind of the same old thing. And the refreshes to this point were minute and small and not really meaningful. It was always a brand built on tactile feel. The knobs, the quality was there. Just the aesthetic was polarizing, and a lot of people felt like it was a bit intimidating, just utilizing the piece. Because really, the Gaggenau unit is for true culinarians, you know, people that are really, really intending to use this and probably get all the basic concepts. So someone like myself may be like, man, how do I really work this thing? Truth be told, then came out the Expressive Series, and I had one eye open when we saw it. I had one eye open till we saw it, I should say. And really, they've done this halo knob, which you can find a bunch of reviews and posts on the knob. It's beautiful. It kind of sits like it floats on the unit. But it is a combination now of touchscreen, very intuitive, simple to use, visually appealing. They've made the stainless, or the glass within the stainless, a little bit darker. And it's a frame-in-frame design, the wall oven itself. So again, just, you know, German engineered to that millimeter, just that fine precision aesthetically. So this has now become a piece of art. It is truly beautiful. It always was in the eye of the beholder, but I feel like more mainstream beauty and usability that really kind of is going to resonate, I think. So already, they're just hitting our floors now. A lot more buzz and excitement with this most recent launch than I can remember in 20 years.
Absolutely, and that comes even from us as our salespeople and all of us, you know, using it and seeing this new one, because you're right, like, it's funny, like every time a new salesperson comes in, the first brand that you're most intimidated about, like, oh wow, this good, how do I use this thing, just like you said. But they've made it so much easier now too. They've made a lot of improvements from their old 400 series. The knob just helps, I think, just the navigation of it too. So it's kind of a combination of the knob and the swipe. They've really improved the guided cooking. It's just way more intuitive. They give you a lot more options on the guided cooking. So it's not like you feel like you have to know 100% of what you're doing, but still at the same time, they still made it tailored to that chef style of person that really wants to kind of get down deep into the details of cooking. Even improvements there, like on their steam oven now, you can adjust from 1 degree on all the steam. So you really have full moisture control, which before was a little bit more of a preset. Now it's full controls. So they've really made it easier to use, but they didn't go away from their heritage and really what they're known for, of being able to really kind of get down and dirty onto exactly where in the broiler you want it to turn on, where in the humidity controls. So they really give you a lot of those controls. They've added cool features like the sous vide mode, air fry mode. Also, they have a really nice rotisserie in there that we've used and works really, really well. We had just last week in our Boston showroom, we put 2 turkeys on there with vegetables underneath and came out unbelievable in the rotisserie in that oven. So probably still, I would say, the best oven from a cooking perspective, no question about it, but they've definitely made it a lot easier to use. And the stainless, like you said, it's certainly a little bit darker, but I always say, I'm like, but it's not like black stainless, because that glass over stainless it dulls like the black stainless feel. So it's really, you have to see it. It's really a nice finish there too.
As well, they're kind of helping you with the timing of cooking, and they have that orange, I call it an orange, it's not a sun, but maybe like an orange moon. It just kind of, it hovers behind the halo dial, and as things are cooking or preheating, it's kind of, you can kind of see it moving down and filling the circle space. It's really quite cool how that looks. And you were talking a lot about this new Expressive and the steam oven, and not necessarily new to Expressive, but really important to know they have it. A self-cleaning, I call it like a self-cleaning dishwasher of a steam oven. Yeah. So you can put a cartridge in, hit clean, and it literally scrubs it, cleans it, disinfects it. It does it all really, really easily, where with other brand steam ovens, there's more of a manual process involved, or a time process by yourself.
No question. Certainly going to sit at the premium level from price point perspective. They really have a single oven with separate speed and steam, and those, of course, it's going to be no question at the highest end. But again, if you're someone that really loves to cook, really loves to get into it, and wants something maybe before you were a little bit more intimidated by it, but you really like the features, they've really made it a lot easier to use.
Side swing doors, beautiful aesthetic, and they've carried that knob, halo knob style throughout that whole expressive collection. So you can really get matching complementary pieces, and you just have to kind of see this thing to believe this thing.
Absolutely. Like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more appliance tips and updates, follow us at social media at Yale Appliance. Stay informed and inspired. This is Appliance Advisors signing off.